What's going on, everybody? It's Dave with Rich Clips, and today I got a what sold video for you. We got 4 items, so let's begin. Stitch crashes Disney. This is a pin. Pretty cool. Back here, Team Toothbrush, Miami Hurricanes. This thing is vintage. Below it is a Terrifier extra large shirt. Kind of Christmas themed. And over here is the Hot Topic exclusive Hello Kitty and Friends necklace. If any of you purchase these items, want to give you a special thank you. Hope you all have a good day. Bye now.